Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Atlassian Cloud easy tutorial step by step clearly. To log into Atlassian Cloud, first, open your web browser. Type in the URL for the Atlassian Cloud login page. The URL is login.atlassian.com. Press enter to navigate to the page. Once the page loads, look for the email address field. Enter the email address associated with your Atlassian account. Next, locate the password field. Type in your password. If you want to stay logged in, check the box next to Keep Me Logged In. After entering your credentials, click on the Login button. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, be prepared to enter the verification code. Check your authenticator app or email for the code. Enter the code in the provided field. Once you've entered the code, click on Verify. After verification, you'll be redirected to the Atlassian Cloud dashboard. Now, you can access all your Atlassian products. If you encounter any issues, double-check your email and password. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Now you're all set to enjoy Atlassian Cloud. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.